This dry washer is not spinning, so we are trying to fix it. There is a belt problem. As far as we know, the belt has fallen down or came off. So let's see what's going on. Alright, good. Here we open the back of the washer, and as we thought, the belt has fallen down because maybe this is the flat, not with the groove, like not the pulley. So the belt has gone all the way down here. And we're gonna put it back and try start the machine here on the bottom and goes here. And you just spin your part like this, and then you're gonna have the belt on. Alright, there you go. Spin it more. Make sure it stays on the middle. Alright, here you go. The machine is working. We call our technician and he was asking for, how much? 300 just to put the belt. So if you have anything, laundry problem, anything problem, okay? Yadoit. Don't forget to think and call yadoit.ca. Visit our website as well. Thank you.